I'm Savannah and this is Greg, and we're here at one of Walton EMC's 30 substations to talk about restoring your electric power after an outage.
We take all the steps we can to prevent power outages before they occur, but some things are simply beyond our control.
Wind, fire, ice, falling trees, and car accidents can all cause power outages. When your power goes out, Walton EMC works around the clock to get it back on as soon as possible, because keeping your power flowing is our #1 priority.
In this video, we'll take a quick look at the steps we take to restore your power and then answer the most common questions people have about power outages. Let's get started.
Keeping the power lines clear is the best way to prevent outages. That's why we have right-of-way crews working hard all year long, trimming back trees and branches.
Walton EMC has a time-tested storm plan. This detailed plan is reviewed and revised every year to make sure we're always prepared to restore the power quickly.
Here in our System Control Center, we constantly monitor weather forecasts and radar. If we see a storm is coming, we'll have line crews standing by, ready to respond and repair any damage immediately.
Our goal is to get everyone's power restored as soon as possible, but we want our customer owners to understand that we prioritize the repairs that will restore power to the most people at one time.
Walton EMC follows a step-by-step procedure for restoring power, and we're going to walk you through it right now.
Transmission lines bring power to our substations from power plants. These substations must be functioning before any other part of the system can carry power. So, any repairs that a substation needs will be the first priority in restoring power.
From the substations, trunk lines serve as the backbone of our grid and carry electric power throughout our entire service area. If there's a problem along a trunk line, those repairs come next in order of importance.
The lines that feed off trunk lines are called taps. The taps are lines that typically carry electricity out to a group of homes, like a neighborhood. Once power is restored to the trunk line, any damage to the tap lines is repaired.
Finally come service wires. These are lines that supply power to just 1 or 2 locations. Repairs to service wires are the last ones to be done. Your service wire may connect to a tap, but it also could be connected to a trunk line.
We know everyone needs electricity. Even if you're the only house down a long dirt road, you're still a valued customer owner of Walton EMC, and we won't rest until your power has been restored.
Now, let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions we get during an outage. Greg, kick us off.
Okay. Why does my neighbor still have power, but mine is out?
Yes, we understand that can be frustrating. There could be damage to the service wires that connects your home to our grid. And even though your neighbor is next door, their power may come from a different part of the grid than yours. Okay, my turn. Question: I have underground wires to my house. Why is my power off?
Even if the wires near your house are buried safely underground, the overhead wires coming from the substation could be damaged. Okay, here's one we get a lot. Why did the crew drive past my house and not stop to fix my power?
Yeah, it's not easy to see that truck drive right on by, but the answer is the crew is probably out repairing a trunk line. If you have a service wire down, please be patient and the crew will be back. All right, Greg, this one's extra important. Question: I have a medical condition that requires a machine. Can I get my power restored immediately?
Because of incidents beyond our control, like accidents and storms, Walton EMC cannot guarantee your electric service. We strongly recommend that people who depend on electrical equipment for their health have a contingency plan in place. This may include extra medical supplies, a backup power source, or a plan to relocate until power has been restored. You can even get a free plan template on waltonemc.com. Here's our next question. Will my automated meter report my power outage?
The answer is no. Our automated meters will not report a power outage. You'll need to call us at 770-267-2505, or better yet, report your outage on our mobile app or at waltonemc.com.
Hold on. I bet if I called on the phone and talked to a real person, I'd get my power back on sooner, right?
No, Greg, sorry. You're not that charming. We give equal priority to phone calls and outages reported online. But rest assured, at Walton EMC, we do everything we can to get your power back on as soon as possible.
At Walton EMC, we believe in being prepared and responding quickly to emergencies.
From our folks that answer the phones, to the people in our control center, to the crews that maintain and repair the lines, everyone at Walton EMC is committed to keeping the power on.
We hope you learned a little about how we work to restore the power after an outage.
You can find out more at waltonemc.com. Thanks for watching.